Okay, I'm gonna keep this real short. Oh, excuse me, this has upset my stomach a little. I'm sorry. EA Games and Blizzard are now adding commercials to console games. Yeah, you heard me right. I'm coming through loud and clear. This is the internet. There's no static at all. They are adding commercials to console games. And if they can get away with it, since they're leading the charge, if they can get away with it, then it'll be the Apple effect. Everybody will do it. Everybody will do it. And I don't personally know what we can do to stop them. So, bye bye, video games. You will be missed by me and whole nations as well. Later. Also, I am not really feeling so hot after seeing that, so I will work on the new Dangerous Adventures videos the second I'm starting to feel like I can function again, because I really want to get these done and up and uploaded. But yeah, video games, you will be missed. I will remember the good times more than the bad, just like with sports. Later.